I'm here this morning at the old Chatterley Whitfield Colliery in Stoke-on-Trent with the Urban Sketchers, and I've just set up my pochade box with an 8x10 board there, and I'm going to have a go at painting this really classic scene. As you can see here, we're quite well set up this morning. Look at the old gazebo here to give us all a bit of shade, and there's a few hours here. We all seem to be going to have a go at more or less the same scene. 1 or 2 hours of braving the sunlight rather than getting under the gazebo. And okay, let's give it a go and see how we get on with it. For those of you who enjoy the technical side of things, here's the palette. Starting off with titanium white, cadmium lemon, sap green, burnt umber, Venetian red today instead of burnt sienna, French ultramarine and cerulean blue. So let's get putting some paint on that board. Well, that's got it all blocked in. Time for a bit of a leg stretch. It's coming along quite nicely, I think. One of the great things about being out here with the Urban Sketchers is being amongst other people who are also painting and drawing. You can get up and have a little walk round, have a bit of a socialise, talk about each other's paintings. Of course, there's always someone, spot the artist up there on the hillside, who wants to be up there in a place that's just theirs. Okay, let's get back to it. Listen. Can you hear that? Silence. That's the sound of about a dozen engrossed people. People who are just totally and absolutely lost in their creativity. That really is a fantastic sound. Okay, so let's get back sitting down at the easel and finish this one off. there we go. That's about as much as I'm going to get done today. Quite pleased with that. I'll probably touch it up a little bit when I get back to the studio. So now, this is what we call the throwdown. You'll get the reason why.
Is that Nicky? Is that yours?
Some of them are really good, aren't they? Well, most, well, in fact, they're all good, but they're all different.
It was Dam's the my favourite.
Absolutely can't see the dark one on this photograph.
It's peaceful up here. So quiet I can hear every footstep. For 3 hours I've gazed upon an echoing, deserted monument. A monument to the millions of men, women and children who gave their lives so that we could live the sanitised existence that we lead today. This place is special. This place is a shrine to working class life. This place consumed many lives, not just the occasional disaster, but the many daily accidents and the long blackening diseases that shorten the lives of so many. But this place gave as well. This place gave a livelihood. This place fed and clothed families. This place created communities. All that has gone. We grassed over the ugly black tips. We built retail parks. We built houses. Houses that nobody who worked here could afford. Our world is not the soot-blackened, long-choking world of my forefathers. This place stands as a reminder of so much. On its locked gates, we should hang a sign that simply reads, "Lest we forget."